Add drama to your favorite photos in seconds with the Black and White Color Pop and Black and White Selection guided edits. Here's how it works. To make a single color stand out, select Color Pop in guided mode. Then pick a color and boom! Instant results. Customize as you wish. And that's it. I like that. To make more than one color stand out, try Black and White Selection. Use a smart brush to erase the color from everything you want to make black and white. Then fine-tune with the detail brush. It's that simple. And so cool. With these fun effects, it's easy to see that less really is more. Adorable.